What's going on, guys? It's me and Johnny, and we're about to go cruise. We're about to go cruise for snakes. It is Saturday, October 10th, 2020, and yeah, we're gonna try our luck. So stay tuned, and we'll see what we find. Alright guys, we're starting to cruise and bugs are flying like crazy. I don't know what it is, man. I've had to clean my windshield. I had to spray my windshield like 5 times already. They're really, really bad. They're everywhere right now. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but pressure is super, super low. So that can only be good. But I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're flying everywhere. Little tiny bugs, moths, all kinds of other bugs. But anyway, I'll catch up with you guys when I see something. Alright guys, got a little snake on the road. I think it's a little Atrox. Let's go check it out. Yeah, sure enough, little Atrox. Car's coming right now, so I'm gonna get it off the road and keep herping. All right, guys, another little Atrox. I guess snakes are moving tonight. Tiny little thing. Very cool. I'm gonna get it off the road and keep herping, see what else we find. Cool little Atrox. Alright guys, we just got to the road that I usually cruise, and it's pretty hot out here. It's 85 degrees. A little hotter than I would like it, especially for milk snake activity. But snakes will move, you know. It's a good temperature for any other snake. So I expect to see some stuff moving, like I did on the way over here. On the way over here, it got to 79 on the road, but over here it's a little hotter. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated and stay tuned. All right, guys. Looks like we got another Atrox, little baby Atrox on the road. Yep. Another little Atrox, third one I've seen today, or tonight. Anyway, I'm gonna just escort this guy off the road and keep herping. All right, I think we got another Atrox on the road. I think it's gonna be one of those nights. Atrox kind of night. Another Atrox. This one's a little bigger, but it's still a this year's baby. Got a couple little buttons on it. Probably born in July or something. Cool. We'll escort it off the road and see what else we find. Hopefully we find something different. All right, guys. We got a little Texas toad on the road. Johnny wanted to come out and check it out. He's got his flashlight ready. You want to grab it, Johnny? Yeah. Go grab it. It's right here. It's right here. Look down. Grab it, grab it.
I almost got it. Got it.
Grab it.
Got it.
Awesome, Johnny. All right.
Can we keep this one?
No, baby.
Why?
Because we gotta let him go. Because it's free out here. Let me clean the lenses. It's pretty rocky. There we go. That's better. What do you think, Johnny?
Good. Look at our car. It's so dirty.
I know. There's so many bugs on it.
They wanna eat our car.
Let me check it out. Wow, Johnny, that's a pretty toad. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes on that thing.
Why do frogs' throat move?
Because it's breathing. They're under their mouths. It's breathing. Oh. All right, baby, let's let it go.
I'm gonna let it go over here.
All right, so he doesn't get run over. All right, Johnny, good job. Let's go back to the car.
It's so cool right here in this grass right here.
Yeah.
Where the frog go right there? I want to see it.
All right, let's go. There's tons of bugs out here. All right, guys, we're coming back to the car. I was about to put them in.
How can those
They can bite with their mouths. And there was a mantis in our car. Look at this thing. It was flying and it flew out into our car. There's bugs everywhere, guys. Look at that. Bugs everywhere tonight. There's not a lot of wind, so I'm guessing that has to do with it. But anyway, I'm gonna get this guy off and safely on some plants.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, we got another snake. It's another Atrox. Atrox number 5. This one's long for a baby. Pretty long. You're all right. Ooh. Giving us the what's to. You're all right. Anyway, I'm gonna get it off the road and keep herping. All right, guys. It is 9:40 and the temperature's dropped to 79 degrees. So hopefully stuff starts moving a little bit more. Not only 8 trucks. Hopefully we start seeing some diversity. But anyway, pressure's still low, so it's conducive for some activity. So we'll see what else we find. How's it going, guys? It is 10:36. I haven't seen anything since that last Atrox, which was Atrox number 5. So it's been around an hour that I haven't seen anything. I know pressure's climbing up, but it's still relatively low. And temperature's 79 right now. So I don't know. I'm still optimistic. I guess I don't know why they stopped moving right now, but anyways, I'm gonna keep at it and see what happens. We'll keep you guys updated. All right, we got Atrox number 6. Yeah, I guess Atrox are the only snake moving tonight. I saw another kind of snake moving on the way over here, but it was like booking it across the road, and by the time I saw it, it was already on the grass, so I missed it. It looked looked to be a colubrid, but who knows? Could have been checkered garter or something else, but yeah, I missed it. But anyway, baby 8 trucks number 6 for the night. Just crossing the road. That little button. Anyway, I'm gonna escort this guy off the road and keep herping. Alright guys, finally got something different. Little bull snake. Very, very beautiful snake. Wow. It is just a hatchling. This big, and it is a hatchling. They come out big. They lay huge eggs, like almost like ball python sized eggs. I'm gonna grab it, see what it does. Let's see. Come here, little guy. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're all right. Oh, it's spitting up. That's weird. Looks like it just drank some water or something. And it's spitting up. It's weird. Never had that happen, but they spit up a bunch of water, so I'm guessing it drank. Anyway, I'm gonna let this guy get off the road and keep herping. All right, got a little Texas toad on the road. Let me try and get it. Come here, little guy. There he is. Anyway, I haven't seen anything in a little while. Probably gonna head back soon. Anyway, gonna let this guy go and continue herping. All right, guys. I did another pass and I didn't see a single snake, so I'm heading home. We're still going to go through some pretty good habitat on the way before I hit the interstate, so we might see some more animals, but if not, I'm probably going to combine this video with next time I go out. So anyway, if I don't see anything else, thanks for watching and see you next time. What's going on, guys? It is Thursday, October 15th, and everybody's messaging me. Well, my close friends, and I'm in a group on Facebook and on Messenger, and everybody's like, dude, tonight's gonna be good, tonight's gonna be good. So I'm heading out tonight. There's a cold front coming in tomorrow morning, but right now temperatures are perfect, the pressure's low, so I'm gonna head out and see if I get lucky. So yeah, stick around and we'll see what we find. got to road that could possibly produce. It is 8:07, 87 degrees. The temperature's gonna be dropping pretty fast, so yeah, I should get to that sweet spot soon. But anyway, let's see what we find, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, it is 9:16. It's still pretty hot, 86 degrees. Not a single snake on the road. I've seen a couple of DORs, a couple of Diamondbacks babies, but yeah, nothing else. Earlier there was a lot of traffic on this road. Saw like 6 cars, oil traffic, so a bunch of 18-wheelers. But yeah, hopefully here when the temperature starts dropping, the snakes are gonna start moving. But keep you guys updated. All right, got an amphibian on the road. Let's see what it is. It's a nice little leopard frog. Hold on, my lens is foggy. Let me clean it up here real quick. There we go. Very cool. Nice little leopard frog. Rio Grande leopard frog. Anyway, I'm gonna escort this guy off the road and keep herping. Hey guys, so still no snakes. It is 10 o'clock, 85 degrees, so hot. I just checked the weather and it says it's supposed to be raining right now, so like actually raining right now. But the closest town is where I have the weather set up at. So it says it's raining right now and it's 72, but my temperature gauge here in the car says 85. The pressure shot up. It's at 29.93. It was like at 29.72. So it was pretty low. But yeah, it's I don't know, whatever it is, it's conducive to not seeing snakes. But hopefully it turns around here. Hopefully the rain coming up is true. And hopefully we start seeing something. Anyway, catch up with you guys if I see anything. Got a little field mouse. I don't know what kind it is. But something's blowing in right now. I think it's raining right there, the town nearest to my north. I'm gonna try and get this mouse. Check it out. There it is. I don't know what kind of mouse it is. It is cute. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going and see what else we find. Well guys, it's raining on me. I haven't seen a single snake. I drove a little bit into the storm just to see if anything was moving. But yeah, I didn't see anything, so I'm gonna go back and try and see if anything's moving before the storm, right before the storm. So yeah, wish me luck, but it's not looking pretty good. So it's looking like I'm probably gonna have to take an L and combine 3 outings, which I've never done, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Alright, I turned around and I'm cruising right ahead of the storm, so if anything's going to be moving, it's going to be moving right here before the storm hits when the pressure's changing. Temperature 76 right now, so perfect for milks. So let's see what happens. All right, first snake of the night. Little Diamondback. Wow, I can't believe this is the only snake I've seen tonight. It seemed perfect. But yep, little diamondback crossing the road ahead of the storm. I've been cruising ahead of the storm here for a little bit. As you can hear, it's coming closer and closer. But yeah, I'm hopeful that if I keep cruising ahead of the storm, I'm gonna find something cool. So I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully I do. All right, guys, got a little bull snake on the road. Wow, that's a pretty snake. Nice. I've been cruising here ahead of the storm and I've seen 2 snakes, so I think I'm doing the right thing. It's almost time for me to go home, but yeah, I'm so glad I got to see this beauty. Very nice snake. Awesome. I'm gonna take some pictures, let this guy go. Alright, just saw something. Oh, it's a little toad. Little Gulf Coast toad. Very red. Wow. You usually don't see them this red. Some of them are, but very cool. It's 76 right now, and I'm just hitting the area that it rained, so I might see some activity. Alright, got another amphibian. There's a little Texas toad. See if I can get a little bit closer. Nice. Let's get it off the road. Well, it's already got off the road, but let's keep going. All right, right after I cut off the video with the toad, not even 100 yards, and this juvenile western diamondback is on the road. Looks like it got soaked. And it looks like it's got something on its belly too. Yeah, it definitely has got a bulge. A bullous. Oh, very nice. Let's let it get off the road and see what else we find. I might not have to combine 3 outings. I'm seeing a lot of snakes right now. Look at this guy drinking. Little thorn scrub rat snake drinking water after the storm. Very cool. Beautiful snake. Anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures and get it off the road. I got another snake. Oh, it's another bull snake. Wow, this one's nice. Wow, look at that orange head. Wow, aberrant pattern. So cool. Wow, very nice. Well, this night ended up being pretty good. The storm helped out a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures and keep going, see what else we find. What's going on, guys? I'm driving back home. Tonight went pretty good. At the end, you know, we picked it up and started seeing lots of snakes after the rain. So I think I got enough footage for to close up the video tonight with last weekend's video, so that's pretty good. We didn't see a milk snake, but there's always next weekend. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you next time.